This is eventually going to be one of my gamut jaw style tongs. You can see I've created the hoops with this half round swage depression. So some people have asked me what I use this oblong shaped mini swage block for. I mostly use this shaped block to elongate what are standard bolt style tong hoops to stretch them out to my gamut jaw style. I'll use a smaller size top fuller to bottom the hoops out. So that's really just that. And now I think you can see maybe how that little swage block might come in handy. If anybody wants a mini swage block set of 3, check out my website or my Etsy store, or just send me an email. Here are the gamut jaw hoops in comparison to just standard bolt style hoops. You might or might not notice any difference in use depending on your workpieces / the shapes of your projects. So with the tongs completed, you can see the difference more clearly. That's all for now. Got a lot more fooling around to do.